All right, so I want to show you the correct way to install an extension for Pinterest now that you've made your board and you've got your different sections. I'm sorry, in the original video that I released, it has incorrect information, so I apologize for the confusion. What you'll do is you'll still go over here to your three dots and you'll choose More Tools and Extensions. This is only listing extensions that are currently installed. I didn't realize that, so that's my bad. What you need to do is actually come over here to the left-hand side and choose Open Chrome Web Store. And then in the searching of the store, you can type in Pinterest. Since mine was already installed, it showed up in my list. Yours hasn't been installed yet. So now from your extensions, you can install the Pinterest Save button. There'll be a button right here that'll say Add to Chrome, just like this one is. But mine says Rate It because I've already have it installed. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. And then I'll show you an alternative way to pin if that doesn't work. So once that's installed, what you can do to find images and things, you can go straight to Google. And I'm going to look up package graphic design just to kind of see what's available in packaging. And then I'm going to go to images. I'm going to start looking around and try to find ones that really interest me, something that looks kind of cool, something that grabs my attention. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh yeah, I like the consistency of that. Nice graphic. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to click on the image. And then once I move my mouse over an image inside of any website, this little red Pinterest Save button will show up. You can click right on that. And that extension that's up there will automatically load this. I can go to types of design because that's the board I'm using. I can choose the kind of design I want. That's package design. It's saved it there. And now I can actually do see it now. And this will take me to my Pinterest board. It has the link there. It has any tags that they put on. And then if I want to edit this, I can click on edit. And now this looks like they automatically put a whole bunch of stuff in here. Sometimes when you click on it, it won't. So I'm actually going to delete this out. And I'm going to add my own note in. Add your own note about what is it specifically that you liked about this and why do you think it fits within that category. And then you'll save. And it'll add, wow, that was a whole bunch of stuff. There it is. I need to delete the rest of that out. And then you can just hit save. And that will put it into that specific section of your Pinterest board. So let me go to it. I just hit back, hit my Pinterest, and there it is under packaging. Now, if by chance that extension doesn't end up working, here's what you can do. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to find a different one. So if I find some other package, I'm going to keep going around until I find something cool. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm going to click on the picture. Smart End Package Design. I'm going to find the one that I liked. Sometimes that's tricky because it shows you one image, but it doesn't take you directly to the one that you liked. So I'm going to keep going until I can find the one that I actually liked. Ooh, that's cool. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to copy this address. So just highlight the text and Control C. And then now when I go back to Pinterest, I can go into my package. And once I'm in my package design area, I can click the plus sign and I can make a pin. And then now from the site, I'm going to paste the address. I'll paste the address in both spots. And this is why I don't like not being able to use the extension, because now there's no graphic that's here, and that's really annoying. I'm going to click on that upload from web. As long as you put the thing underneath, it should find it. Then you got to go down and find the one you wanted to use and add it to your pin. And then this is going to be coffee packaging. And then I can say what this pin is about. I like the colorful. And I hit save. So that's the second way